We are going to do the transmission fluid, gear oil. So we've got what, a T25 Torx, a 19 millimeter socket for the drain plug, and then an 8 millimeter socket. It seems like it could be 8 millimeter, could be 45 T45 Torx. So I'll try both. We'll see. This is the first time again that I've done this and the final drive. So we'll work through it. We'll get it figured out. I've got these fill tools. Again, big syringes that I actually pre-marked. Thanks Scott Simone for the idea there. So we're gonna see if we can't get this AMSOIL, well, get the factory stuff out, get the BMW stuff out, and get this AMSOIL fluid into the transmission. Sort of between the exhaust flaps, right there. All right, after a very arduous process of pumping 1,150 milliliters of this AMSOIL gear oil in here.